Today I want to show you this wooden wardrobe by Yechen. This came in 2 pieces and my husband put it together by himself. First of all, I want to start by saying once this is fully assembled, this is a super solid piece of furniture. It feels sturdy, substantial, and well built, not flimsy or lightweight like some other wardrobes can feel. This wardrobe is really practical. Inside there's a sturdy metal hanging rod that holds clothes and coats without bending, and it is removable if you don't want to use it. This material is P2 engineered wood and it feels really durable and strong. The finish is beautiful. It has 3D fluted wave light detailing that gives it a modern but warm look. The natural color is neutral and it blends really well with different bedroom styles. Honestly, this looks so much more high-end than I expected. The depth is great. It fits most standard hangers comfortably, and the adjustable shelves are a nice touch because you can customize the space depending on what you need to store. You can store folded clothes, bags, linens, and even storage bins in here. The drawer at the bottom is also surprisingly spacious. It slides smoothly and it's perfect for socks, tops, or smaller items. I appreciate all of these have soft close hinges on the doors so they close gently and quietly, which really makes this feel even more high-end. This is 67 inches high, 31.5 inches wide, and 20 inches deep. I love the variety of areas for storage, and you can even store items on top of this. If I had a bigger area, I would put 2 of these next to each other because I think that would look really amazing. Overall, I love everything about this armoire. It fits in perfect with my space. It's just what I was looking for. I love that it's very functional and stylish. The storage capacity can't be beat, and I'm really excited to use this for years to come. Hope this helped you shop. Thanks for watching.